Hello guys, this is AutoSocials and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So, once you're on PayPal's main page and you are logged into your PayPal account, you'll see this blue bar over here and you should go over Wallet next to Send and Request and Offers. Once you've clicked on Wallet, you should have multiple options here. Once you're here, you should press on transfer funds. Once you've done that, you have funds out and transfer money to your bank. Click on transfer money to your bank. I can't transfer any money because there's no money on this PayPal account, but in your case, if you have money on your PayPal account, your credit card should show up here, or you can add it to your PayPal account if you haven't done it yet. And that's all there is to it. It's gonna take you a 1% transfer fee in order to transfer money to your bank account, and you should keep that in mind. And there's a maximum of 3 working days for the money to show up in your bank account. Those are the things that you should keep in mind if you wanna transfer funds to your bank account. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really simple. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.